So, the iPhone SE is out. And most likely, you're enticed by its affordable $399 price tag. I certainly am. After all, you get the beastly A13 Bionic chip, reliable camera hardware with acclaimed video recording chops, and a compact form factor for less than half the price of 2020 flagships. But what if iOS doesn't cut it for you and Android is your preferred OS? Well, don't lose hope just yet. There are plenty of great phones in that price bracket that will serve you well. So, let's dive right into our best Android alternatives to the iPhone SE. Google Pixel 4 packs a beautiful 5.7-inch OLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate and employs the advanced Soli radar system for super fast and secure face unlock. And oh, there is the cool motion sense feature for controlling your Pixel 4 with hand gestures. It is powered by the Snapdragon 855 chip paired with 6GB of RAM and runs the stock flavor of Android with a vastly improved Google Assistant. The Pixel 4 will get assured updates for 2 more years and provides an unparalleled Android experience. In a nutshell, Pixel 4 is the best Android alternative to iPhone SE. OnePlus has carved a solid reputation for offering spec-heavy phones with great software and unbeatable pricing. The OnePlus 7T is no exception. It packs a 6.55-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display with a 90Hz refresh rate, while the Snapdragon 855 Plus at its heart paired with 8GB of RAM and 128GB storage. Overall, the OnePlus 7T is an excellent package at its current price. Comparing side by side, the OnePlus 7T is worth every penny for the $100 premium it asks over the iPhone SE. If you are looking to save some money but still want a dependable phone, the Google Pixel Threa is the phone to get. It packs a 5.6-inch FHD Plus display and relies on the sufficiently powerful Snapdragon 670 chip alongside 4GB of RAM. However, the stock Android interface ensures everything runs without a hitch. Pixel Threa has a single 12MP snapper with OIS at the back, but it is arguably the best camera you will find on a phone in this price bracket. Essentially, the Pixel Threa is to Google what iPhone SE is to Apple. This one's a best bang for your bucks phone. Samsung Galaxy A51 is an eye-catching design and a beautiful 6.5-inch FHD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity O display. It has the Exynos 9611 chip at its heart, accompanied by 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. The Galaxy A51 is a lot of phone for its $399 price tag and will be right up your alley if you consume a lot of media on your phone and want a device that stands out with its design. What the Galaxy A51 lacks in brute power compared to the iPhone SE, it makes up for it with a great overall package. That's it for this video. See you in the next one.